Ooh, let's see if Enki can hold here. This is interesting. I'm gonna try it out with one micro. Let's see. Can you hold pre-market highs? So far, we're looking pretty good. I think as long as NQ keeps holding this little support, I think we're good for more upside. But NQ definitely needs to break this little resistance here. I want to see this candle closing strong. So far, it's not looking good. Looking like a clear reaction candle. So we could have another pullback here, maybe. Yeah, it's not looking too bullish. Yeah, I got stuff out there. The Q lost the VWAP. That's pretty bearish. That is no bueno. That's a very aggressive move to the downside. We have support here, but we're under the VWAP on SPY. Same thing with NQ here. NQ is at support, but we have a possible reaction of the VWAP. Maybe it was just a fake out. I'm gonna try a reaction play here off of SPY VWAP reaction. As long as ES is under this little resistance, I'm looking for more downside. Okay, I'm gonna sell one contract. Let's see if we can have more downside. Okay, I'm out on these accounts. I'm out. I'm green. I'm up like 66 bucks. I just wanted to lock some at least a little bit of profits and see if we can find another trade, maybe these two. But I do think the market could definitely bounce here, especially how it's been moving lately. Like we can be inside this ugly range for the entire morning. So I just think whether better to lock some profits and then wait and see if we're gonna go for the gap below. Yeah, it's a ping pong market, definitely. This is how much we're up today. This market's getting so frustrating. But we're good.